Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today's Thursday, August 20th, and I'm here with a new vendor preview for our handmade market coming up on October 3rd. And then we have a new collection of fabric to share with you. First up is our handmade market vendor of the day. This is J&S Woodworking. They are local and they make useful products from various wood found in North Carolina or in using special woods procured by local wood suppliers. For their giveaway this year, they're providing a two-sided cutting board or charcuterie board for your fall and winter holiday needs. One side is a turkey and the flip side is a wreath made of cute snowman faces. Each one of our vendors is required to give us a giveaway so that we can gain more excitement and more eyes about our handmade market video. Our handmade market, the video, the market, woof, is going to be on October 3rd. And if you would like to win the prizes from our vendors, all you need to do is like the video wherever you're watching it. And we do show it on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook every day at noon Eastern. And then comment under the video to let us know what you love about the particular product of the day. We will be drawing winners at random whenever I get too many things in my room. So these are the samples of things they'll have at the market. This is a Lazy Susan. It measures 8 inches and the wood is made from maple and red grandis wood. And this product has so many uses. Next up, we have a charcuterie board, small board with a handle made from tiger wood with striking markings. I do like that design. You can see why they call it tiger wood. Next up is a breadboard, about 16 inches long with a handle. It's made from maple, walnut, and mahogany. Also really gorgeous. I like this side better. Then we have a cutting board, 18 inches long. It's made from maple, walnut, and mahogany. Again, oh, I like how dark that line is. They make beautiful things. And they just do this for fun. All of their equipment's in the garage. They have a great time though. And then this one is a cutting board, an 18-inch long checkerboard styled board made from walnut and sapele. And then finally, we have this mixed wood bowl. This is a 5-inch wood bowl, turned and unusually shaped. And it's made of cherry and maple wood. So it has a really big, heavy base. Good for holding those cold bowls of ice cream, maybe, because your hands won't get cold. Anyway, they're going to have beautiful things. They always set up right out here on the corner. So they're hard to miss, and really they have gorgeous offerings. Now to today's fabric. We've got Little Farm Friends. This cute collection is full of sweet farm animals, a tiny farmscape, and a collection of pretty farm things. Stop by the farm to check on the cows, the ducks, and all the baby animals. The buttery yellow, lake blue, grassy greens, and rich reds harken to traditional farm colors. And this is by Kelsey Carlson for Riley Blake Designs. And again, we have the return of the ginghams. Ginghams are very big this year, so you're going to see them in a lot of collections. But I think it's always good to have a little bit of gingham around because it's also very useful for so many things. And this is a really fun one. It's kind of a culmination of all the pieces I've shown you before. We do have Lazy Days Arts and Crafts Festival here in Cary this weekend. It's only about half a mile down the road. So if you're coming for Lazy Days, come and see us or vice versa. There are tons of artists and crafters and food and music, and it's really always a lot of fun. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.